How to restart your Android tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to restart your Android tablet but not sure how to do it the right way, here's how you can do it. First of all, go ahead and press and hold the power switch on your Android tablet, which might be at the top or on the sides. Press and hold on it and you might be able to see this kind of an interface, but some of the Android tablets out there might have a different setting. So if the power button holding doesn't work for you, then the next thing you want to do is to press the power button and the volume up key at the same time. So once you do that, you might see this kind of an interface. To restart or reboot your device, just go ahead and drag the slider at the bottom and drop it towards the reboot option. I cannot reboot for now because I'm screen recording just to show it to you, but if you want to reboot it, just slide it towards the reboot. If you want to power off your device, go to the power off option from the top. So right there, you have learned how you can easily restart your Android tablet. This step works for most of the Androids out there, but if you have a different kind of Android device, then try pressing and holding the power off switch, where you might be able to find the power off and the reboot option. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.